Starting a ClickBank account might seem like a daunting task, but it's more straightforward than you might think. Welcome to the world of ClickBank, a renowned online retail platform celebrated for its affiliate marketing program. Picture this: a world of opportunities at your fingertips, a chance to connect with a global audience, and a platform to promote products and earn commissions. Fascinating, right? And the best part? It's user-friendly and easy to navigate. So let's get you started on creating your own ClickBank account. Now that you know what ClickBank is, you are ready to start the registration process. Let's dive into how you can set up your account. It all begins by visiting the ClickBank website. On the homepage, you'll find the Sign Up or Create Account option. Click on it to get started. Next, you'll be asked to fill out some basic information. This includes your name, address, email address, and other contact details. Make sure to enter these details accurately. After you've filled in your personal information, you'll need to choose a unique username for your ClickBank account. This will be your key to logging in, so make sure it's something you'll remember easily. The next step is to create a strong password for your account. Remember, your password is your first line of defense in online security. Make sure it's something secure but memorable. Now it's time to provide your payment information. This is how ClickBank will send you payments for any sales you make. You can choose to set up direct deposit or provide your PayPal information. Once you've filled in all the required information, take a moment to review everything. If all the details are accurate, go ahead and submit your registration. Before you're done, there's one more step. ClickBank will likely send you an email to verify your email address. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Remember to verify your email address to complete the registration process. Once you've successfully registered and logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickBank dashboard. This is your personal command center for all things ClickBank. It's where you'll manage your account, track your earnings, and find products to promote. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. At a glance, you'll see your earnings summary, which provides a snapshot of your recent activity and income. It's a great way to see your progress at a glance. On the left side, you'll find a menu bar with several options. Here, you can access your account settings, review your transaction history, and explore the ClickBank Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find products to promote. It's loaded with a broad range of digital and physical products, each with a potential commission for you. Remember, the more you understand the dashboard, the more effectively you can use ClickBank. So, take some time to get familiar with the dashboard before you start promoting products. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the dashboard, it's time to set up your payment preferences and start promoting products. In your account settings, you'll find a section for payment preferences. Here, you can stipulate how you want to receive your payments and when. ClickBank typically offers options like direct deposit or PayPal. It's crucial to ensure your payment details are accurate and up to date, as this is how you'll receive your hard-earned commissions. Next, we transition to promoting products. In the ClickBank Marketplace, you can browse a vast array of products to promote. Choose products that align well with your audience's interests. Remember, the more your audience values the product, the more likely they are to make a purchase. Once you've chosen a product, you'll receive an affiliate link. This link is your ticket to earning commissions. Promote it wisely and remember to track its performance. And there you have it. You're now ready to start using your ClickBank account to promote products and earn commissions. And there you have it. You're now ready to start using your ClickBank account to promote products and earn commissions. The process may seem daunting initially, but with patience, it simplifies. Thanks for watching. Remember to click the like button and hit the subscribe button for more useful guides like this one.